Make the birdie stop. Oh God, they're too close. Okay. Okay. Whew. Why do they keep flying right here? Like I have nothing. I have nothing. Jesus. Look at all the people fishing. Look at all the people fishing on that dock. I hope they catch some. Oh my goodness. They way out there. Look at them. They out there being romantica. All romantica. Till Jaws come through and get them. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, that feels good between my toes. I wish you kids would stop stirring these pictures. Oh my God, Kayla. Kayla. Kayla, please. Kayla, come here. Kayla, come here. Oh my God, these pictures. Oh my God, Kayla, come here, please. Come here, Kayla. Kayla, bring your apple head self here. Kayla, come here. Just block me. Oh my God.
Really?
I don't like the birds.
It's birds.
I saw this movie one time by Stephen King. It was a Stephen King movie.
Look at the baby.
Kayla, you ever seen that Stephen King movie about the birds, the crows?
Mama, really? These are seagulls and pigeons. Really?
They got sharp beaks, Kayla. They can be lethal.
Mama, these are... Mama.
Oh God, Kayla.
Mama goes away.
I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get out of here, Kayla. I'm gonna get out of here. Oh God, that's it.